Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we'll talk about the market, about the EGLD community and about the podcast I am hosting, and I want you to listen to it because they are very interesting conversations. And in the third phase of this video, we will talk about Cantina Royale because I got my NFT, I opened my mystery box. So if you are interested in only one of these topics, use the captions below because everything is just structured there so you can go and check what you want to hear, but I do recommend you to watch the full video because I will try to make it interesting. So let's start, and let's start with the market. As you can see, we are at Bitcoin chart and it is just below 24,000. Now it seems that it is a resistance to 24,000, but Bitcoin is kind of moving on it, and I do think that it will go further up. Now, as I probably mentioned many times in my last, I don't know, 5 to 10 videos, I do have a big resistance here, which is the downtrend of this big move, of this big bearish move, which is coming all the way up from the 70k. If we break this big trend, well, I don't know. It will be interesting. I would really love to see that because that would happen to mean that we are out of this bearish trend. I don't think it will happen. We would need to go above the 27,000, and I don't think that we have enough juice in the price. However, this looks good right now, and we are still waiting for the big dump, to be honest. Was this the bottom, the 17 or 18,000? I don't know. But it's very clear that everything is pumping. Now, everything is pumping because there is an Inflation Reduction Act or Inflation Reduction Bill in the progress, which already passed the Senate in the US, which is printing more money. And as we understood and as we know from previous actions, printing more money creates more inflation, or let's just say pushes the inflation higher. Everyone now is saying that the inflation peak is already passed, so from here we can just grow and the market can now return to normal and can again rally, which we can see on some of the stocks, but I am not that confident, to be honest. I just think that people, or let's say the top 1-2% wants to trick people into buying assets, and then they will dump it. They want to make some money because probably those with the big bucks, they bought up a lot of assets somewhere here when everything was at the bottom. So I'm not gonna bail on that. I'm not gonna buy that, but I do accumulate. Every month I accumulate Bitcoin, I accumulate some Ethereum, and I accumulate some Aaron. Speaking of, it's at $65, and very interestingly, it just came out from this triangle or rising wedge. So this was quite a bullish signal, and I was thinking at this 50 price action, let's say, that we are going to break out into the downwards and we are going to revisit the $38, which we visited mid-June, but no, we broke out into the upper zone, let's say, and yeah, now it is at the $65. As you can see, it did encountered this resistance here, and now we are waiting to see what is going to happen if everything goes up or everything is just moving slowly in the sideways direction. Probably Aaron will continue to climb. However, I do see some correction already, and yeah, it will be something like this maybe. This is what I expect, but obviously I just can't know. Nobody knows. So everyone take your bets, and yeah, good luck with that. Ethereum is climbing pretty nicely. I have to say it's much better or much more convincing than Bitcoin or Aaron. And right now it just got this big resistance. So there's a lot of movement, lots of volume here, and we need to see what will happen if it breaks through and goes actually up to the above 2000 levels. Well, I have to say that we might touch the 2300, and yeah, we might try, or Ethereum might try to break out of this bearish trend again. However, Bitcoin seems to be closer to this big bearish trend. So yeah, let's see who gets there first. I still don't think that this was the end of the bear market, that we are out of the bushes, let's say, that we already hit the bottom. I do expect a bit more down movement for the simple fact that I think some miners will capitulate when the price is right, maybe when it will be at 30,000, because that will be a pretty good profit-taking zone, let's say. For the simple fact that most of the miners are generating Bitcoin at 10 of 15,000K, meaning that if the Bitcoin's price is above $15,000, then that miner is generating a profit while it's working. So the 30K would be something like a 2x. And obviously, a 2x is a pretty good profit taking zone, let's say. So let's see what will happen. Obviously, $24,000 Bitcoin is quite good. And yeah, I'm just afraid that this is a relief rally, but we can also see that everywhere, to be honest. We can see here is the German index, which I'm shorting right now, by the way. Here is Amazon, which I already showed you, but we can go to other stocks as well, or Netflix. However, Netflix didn't recover too much. It is losing subscribers in a very fast way, but it did pump back from 170 to 235, which is not a bad one if somebody bought here, but I didn't buy because I do think that Netflix is shit now. They are releasing some better movies, but still, I don't think it's the best. Okay, let's move forward and discuss about the podcasts I am hosting. As you probably know, I joined Morningstar Ventures and we created two podcasts. One of them is the EGLD podcast and the other one is the MSV podcast. Let me just type in here it is. And I do have some very interesting guests. We are discussing not only the projects, but about Web3, about the economy, about the market, about everything you can imagine. And yeah, it's a lot to learn about these, and it is very interesting to have a perspective from their side because they are the founders and the builders. Until now we were just witnessing what is happening with the market, what is happening with the price, and what is happening with the projects, what they are announcing. Now they can tell me or can tell us what they are planning and how they see in the future all these type of categories of crypto. So yeah, listen in because it's very interesting. I will leave in the description all the links to the Twitter profiles and also to the domain names. You can listen on Spotify as well. All you need to do is type in the MSC podcast or the EGLD podcast, and yeah, there you are. Let's go forward because I have one more thing, which is the EGLD community. There is this website which gathers everything regarding Aeron. There is the ecosystem where you can find all the projects. There are community leaders if you don't know whom to follow. And there are news and blogs and discussions. I also gave an interview about the podcasts and about myself, which can be found on the EGLD community's Twitter profile. If you just scroll down, you will see that. Let's see where I am. Yeah, here I am. As you can see, this is the interview I gave to the EGLD communities. So feel free to read it. It's not an audio file, it's a couple of questions. It is in a written format, but I think it's enjoyable. I am very curious to hear your opinions. Let's go forward and discuss the Cantina Royale launch. As you can see, the game is already on, but before you play, you need to sign up to Verco. Now, if you have a mystery box, you will need to go to beta.cantinaroyale.io. I will leave the link of this blog post in the description as well. You need to go there, you need to sign up or log in. As you can see, I'm already logged in, and you can claim, if you didn't so far, your ape NFT. You can see already here on the screen how you can do it and how it looks like. It's pretty interesting. So go and check it out. If you have a mystery box, go and claim your NFT. After you did that, you can go on beta.cantinaroyale.io. The reason I'm switching browsers is because you shouldn't use Brave. It had a problem. It didn't want to start the game. However, on Chrome, I didn't have any problem. As you can see, I'm already connecting to the match browser because I'm gonna play here just a second. And this is my character. This is Genesis Space Ape number 1463. The rarity is epic, and I will use shotgun, SMG and rocket launcher. Oh, I already have some others as well. Okay, HMG. I don't know what is that. Okay, let's I will just make it this okay, let's see how it goes. I think the game is not bad, by the way. I can switch with Q. Okay, I killed somebody. Yeah, Tony Chopper. And as far as I understand, this is multiplayer, so I'm not playing actually against. Okay, I killed somebody else as well. I still have. Ooh. Come on, die already. Okay, I died. But I should have some kills. Ooh. Tomsy already killed me. That's a bit strange. Okay, let's see again. What is happening here? I'm not too good at these games, but I was saying that since I still have this mystery box, okay, I have 2 kills already. That should be okay. Defeat. You place second. Oh, second is not too bad. Last time I was like 4th. Okay, so I had 4 kills. D, I think 3 deaths, and A, I don't know what is that. Doesn't really matter. Okay. Okay, no available servers found. Doesn't matter right now because I'm not gonna continue this. As you can see, the 1 versus 1 is coming soon, and also the team deathmatch, now the free for all. Now, if you don't have a mystery box, don't worry about it because you will get free NFT, free apes to play with. And I just want to check how is my ape. Yeah. So obviously, if you pay for a mystery box or if you pay for an NFT, then you will get a better one. It will have higher ranks than the free one, but obviously that makes sense because that is the same with Web2 games as well. Okay, hope you like this content. Thank you very much for watching. If you have problems with claiming your mystery box or revealing your mystery box, let me know in the comments or on Discord or write on Telegram to the team because I am sure that they will help. But it was very straightforward and I'm sure that everyone can do it. Take care.